Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, 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 here I come.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Karen. I'm back with another banger, and today in this episode I will be eating some Haagen Dazs butter pecan ice cream. I'm gonna see if I can finish the whole thing in 5 minutes. I know I can't, but I'm gonna try. Before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any of my uploads I will be uploading in the further future. Okay, let's get started. So this is the ice cream, butter pecan. Y'all see it right there. Let's get started. So I'm gonna open it. This is what the top look like. Let me read the ingredients. It's 370 calories per serving. That's a lot. Total fat is 28 grams. Cholesterol 85 mg. Sodium 105 mg. Dietary fiber 3%. Total sugars 22 grams. Protein 6 grams. Probably from the pecans. It had vitamin D in it, calcium, iron, and potassium. So let me open it up. Can y'all see it? Y'all can see the pecans. Alright, let me open it. Make sure this is sealed to make sure nobody was eating it before you. Let me open it up. Y'all, this is what it looked like. It's white with a little bit of pecan nuts in there. This is my second favorite ice cream. Tastes pretty good. Can I finish this whole thing in 5 minutes? Let's see. Let's get the timer started. It's good. Comment down below your favorite ice cream. Some people like strawberry shortcake. Some people like caramel, cookies and cream. They got all kinds of flavors. Yo, I'm not gonna finish this in 5 minutes, cause this is a lot.
Run.
I look like a little boy. Yo, I'm not gonna finish this. I'm getting a brain freeze. I'm done. Oops. Put this back in the freezer. And I want to show y'all something. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Y'all, I want to show y'all this. I got my do-rag on. Looking like a little boy. Alright, I want to show y'all this little intro that I want to start doing for my videos. Y'all gonna rate my intro from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst, 10 being the best. Alright, y'all ready? It's gonna be like A, B, C, D is KT. Come on and get lit with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hold on, not the whole alphabet. Is 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D is KT. Come on and get lit with me. Period. That's gonna be my new intro, y'all. That's gonna be my new intro. If y'all like that, I'm gonna put like a beat in the back of it. If y'all like that, let me know because it's about to get lit. That's it for today's episode. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next episode, my next upload or whatever. But make sure y'all keep God first, stay blessed, and make sure y'all smile. Okay, bye. Peace out.
Here I come, here I come, here I come, here I come.